This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, all of you. Welcome to our online electrical course. So, welcome. So, yesterday we are talking about the electrical device and equipment. Yesterday and before yesterday, we are talking about electrical device and equipment. So, today our topic is general drawing knowledge. Our topic is today general drawing knowledge. So, any kinds of building work, industry work, anywhere. If you start to work, that time first you need to drawing. As for your drawing, you can start your job or your work activities. As for drawing, anywhere in systematic system, this one. Any kinds of work, not only electrical, plumbing, mechanical, civil, any kinds. First, you need to drawing. What work your activity? As for this one, you need to drawing. Same like that in our electrical, most important of drawing also. Electrical, most important in drawing. Because we have the so many systems of electrical control system, DMS system, building management system, lighting layout system, fire alarm system. So many system is coming in inside the electrical. Okay, so most important of drawing. So if you need to drawing, this means you can take the knowledge of drawing also. How to see the drawing. What is drawing? Why we need to drawing? What is the scale of drawing? All of this one we are explained today. I will explain to you today. Why you need to drawing? What is the scale of drawing? How many types of drawing? Why you need to electrical section in drawing? All of these are explained today. Okay. This is the our course is related to electrical. So I will show you. This is our electrical, typical electrical drawing layout. This drawing name is typical electrical drawing layout. Okay. So this inside have, this is the symbol of the light. Okay. This is Lux means symbol of switch. Switch to light. Light to another light. Going like that. Okay. So this is the symbol. And this one is distribution board. Distribution board symbol. And so emergency light symbol also like that coming. Emergency light distribution board also coming like that. Okay. So these are the, this is the typical electrical drawing layout. You see here, this is switch. So DB2 coming in, wiring switch first. Press wire. Neutral is direct going to point. Switch to point, first point of the light. And then after going, second point of the light. Here already see arrow, give the arrow of this one. This means these two lights is one switch. These two lights, two types are these two lights controlled by one switch. How many arrow is given here? Somewhere three lights also give. Somewhere only one light also give. Okay? So this is depends with how many lights need to in this row, inside the row. Here only one. You see here have a one switch and one light only. So this is the small room. Only one light is here. So you can check how many lights is one circuit. One, two light after coming in switch. This means only two light is controlled by this switch. You can clear about this one, okay? Check. This is the door drawing. Here is show the door in the door. This one. This door for enter this area, and this door for enter this area. This is the symbol of door. You can check here. Okay. This is the door symbol. Enter area. This is your wall. This is wall. This one side and another is another side. Okay. And this one also wall. In drawing, you can check this one. So, you measurement, how to measurement in, this is your wall to this light center, how many distance? You can measurement is like that, okay? Wall to this light center. And this wall to this switch center. You can measurement time, always make the center point of the equipment or device. You can measurement center of the point. Always. This is measurement method, okay? Always you can measure in wall side to center of the device or equipment. Okay? So this is our typical electrical layout, okay? Typical electrical drawing layout, this is. So this types of, here is mentioned switch, light, and how many, and where one point to another point, all are mentioned in here. This light to another light, this light to coming switch, all are mentioned in here. So this is typical. Sometimes not mentioned is this one. Only writing R1, Y1, B1 like that. This means R circuit is, red circuit is coming this way. Y1, writing here Y1, this means yellow circuit is coming here. You can check this one. This is the not typical. There is not mentioned. This is like a DB schedule or as per DB schedule. They are like that. But maximum is type coming in typical. Typical type drawing. Okay. This is the typical drawing. So one thing you can check here. This is legends. This all items are inside the drawing. So this is all are legends, okay? These all items are inside the drawing. You can see yours means switch. So if you have no knowledge, no idea of this yes, what is yes, you can confuse. So you can go to legends area and check here. Here is right. Yours means switch. This means you can think this is the switch. And another yes, round yes. Okay, this round here, smoke detector. You can check where is this one. If you confuse this one, this is smoke detector. You see this is smoke detector. This is using for fire control system. Fire alarm system, this section is forming. I will explain to you. Okay, this two is smoke detector. You can check here. This two is smoke detector. Okay. And If you have any confused of inside the drawing, you can check, go to legends and check this telephone layout, this one. So this kind of way you can check here and find out. This is, you cannot, you see there have, this is the telephone layout, okay? So this means any kinds of picture drawing is not give the details all of you, not give the details. This is light, no writing in here, light, only give the symbol. So if you have confused of symbol, that time you should be taking results. There are writing results. Okay? Drawing one side have the results. You can take what is the meaning of this symbol. Easily you can identify. Okay? If you have the confused, this means you go to legends. Legends and drawing one page together. Okay? So you can check there. This is the method. So there is all system is coming. So this is typical. Smoke detector also coming, TV also coming, television also, telephone also coming, and our light point also coming. So this means this is typical. All kinds of system is there. If only light coming, this is the lighting, only lighting layout, not lighting in typical. This is only lighting. If smoke detector only coming, this means this is fire alarm. So they are all mentioned here. Okay, so this is typical. All system is coming there. Lighting also coming, power socket also coming, telephone also coming, and TV also coming. So this is typical. You can say what is the difference between the typical and only lighting. This difference, typical means all kind of system is coming inside the drawing. If lighting only light, this one only light is coming here, switch is coming here, not coming in TV, telephone, computer. This is not mentioned in drawing. Okay. So drawing knowledge. Okay. What you mean by the drawing? In any kinds of project or building, or such as electrical, mechanical, and any others. Drawing give the knowledge of scale, measurement, and installation with correct location of equipment or device. This is the definition of drawing. Okay, so any kinds of work in project, building, or anywhere, drawing gives the knowledge of scale, wall to how many, ceiling slab to how many coming, center of the slab to how many scale need. All are mentioned is there in drawing. Measurement, scale measurement, give the measurement of installation some device or equipment in slab, in wall. You can installation in switch in wall. Installation is distribution board in wall. That time you can make the scale and measurement. Measurement with the tape. Measurement tape. You can measurement the tape. So, and installation with correct location. If you measurement and put the device in installation, the device, this means as per your drawing correct coming. This means your work is perfect as per drawing. Okay, so drawing gives the knowledge of scale measurement and installation with correct location of equipment or device. We have two types of equipment and device. Device means small. We did using especially in single phase. Egg light, fan, bulb. These are the device. Switches. This is device. Equipment means they can available single phase, three phase, both of. They are heavy. Edge light, transformer, three phase motor. This is the equipment. So in electrical, you can installation equipment also and device also. Equipment, especially maximum you can use installation, motor, distribution board, main switch board. This is the equipment. Device, fan, bulb, switch, smoke detector. These are the device. So this is device and these are device equipment. So both of these you can installation in site or project. So drawing, this means you can hear about this one. Drawing give the knowledge of the measurement, correct measurement as per scale. Okay, so this is the definition of drawing. You can writing in your notebooks. So example of the installation of bulb. You can fix the bulb in wall. That is the installation. Installation of tube light. You can fitting the tube light in slab or ceiling. Installation of switches or panel. Switches are panel and coming always wall. This is not coming in slab or ceiling. Panel is always coming in wall, building wall. Okay, so you can measurement and how many scale is give as per drawing. You can measurement and installation. This means you are the perfect. If you make the correct, you are the perfect electrician, perfect engineer, senior electrician. Okay, so drawing knowledge is most important. Any work, call India anywhere. If you have the drawing knowledge, you can make the leader also. It's like a 10 people give to you and one area give to you. Your post also 10. So you should be take the knowledge of drawing. This is important for electrical section. Okay. So I hope you all of you are writing this one. Okay. Definition of the drawing and in electrical, which types of work we need to installation time is scale or marking. So these types of maximum we can use these types of work we can take the drawing and installation as per drawing. I hope all of you are clear. And next one. So this is ceiling. Here is coming ceiling. Tube light is installation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all are as per drawing. This tube light to this tube light, how many gap you can selling in with drawing. Already give the drawing is here. There have the gap. How many distance you need to drawing already give. Okay, so you can check this one. How many gap is there, and this light center to another light center. How many distance? Already give the drawing. They are give the measurement in drawing. And one thing, drawing is always give the measurement of not centimeter, not meter. Always coming in drawing, You can convert to centimeter or meter. This 2 days before we are take the class of measurement. That time I am told you. Okay, always give This means here to there distance is 200 mm, writing like that, 200 mm. This means how many? 20 centimeter. 1 centimeter inside have 10 mm. Already we are discussing about this one, okay? Already our class is completed. So this is tube light installation drawing, installation inside, in ceiling. This is ceiling. Okay, somewhere we can fix in direct slab, but in decoration area there is coming ceiling. So ceiling after we can installation tube light. Normal house we can fix in direct in the slab of the building. Okay. Tube light. Tube light drawing is this one. How many tube light is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So somewhere not give the, here is not mentioned in measurement. You can see here is not mentioned in measurement. So you can measurement time this light center to this light center. You can measure the like that. You put the meter and measure how many centimeter is coming. How many is coming. After you convert and measure in the ceiling or slab. Somewhere drawing is not give. Drawing last scale, there is giving scale 1:100. Before started we are talking 1:100. This means 1 mm. If drawing 1 mm coming in field or work area, real measurement is 100 mm. So this is the system. Okay, here is not mentioned is scale. How many measurement is coming? Some drawing give, some drawing not give. If not give, not confuse you. You can measurement center of the first light and center of the second light. How many distance? You can marking and fix the light. This is very easy method. WP. What is the meaning of WP? Here is writing WP. WP. This means waterproof. Waterproof this one. If water is here, no problem for this one. Already waterproof light is this one. Okay. WP means waterproof. Okay. This is waterproof light. Here is writing DB-G2C7. This means DB distribution board, G2 means ground floor, DB number 2, and C7 means circuit number 7. All drawing is not writing in long because one building drawing is coming one page. How many long is building? This all are coming in one page. So they are not mentioned in notes. Everything is there. There is writing only shortcut. DB. You can understand distribution board. G2 means ground floor. DB number 2. C7 circuit number 7. And this all 8 lines are DB coming from DB G2 to circuit number 7. This 8 line. Here is give the arrow. You can take this one. This is the important. All wiring, anybody put the wiring is there, okay? But this main wire, where to coming? That time you can check where is give the arrow of this one. Most important is this one. You can check the DB. One floor inside have, one floor inside have 2 dBs, 3 dBs, 4 dBs. As per load requirement, how many load is coming here? So this means in ground floor, this means distribution board and ground floor, DB number 2 or circuit number 7. Okay, so you can take this one, okay? This is all tube light. WP means waterproof light. All are waterproof light. This is waterproof light. Why this is waterproof? Because this is using in garage. You see, garage. Writing here is garage. Okay. So garage we can using in water. Garage means some maintenance area, maintenance of some equipment or maintenance of bus, maintenance of motorcycle. Garage. Okay. So garage we can using in water. So we need to waterproof light. So they are writing in WP. We should be using waterproof, not in another. So as per which area you can installation, as per depends with your area, okay, place. If room inside, bedroom, you no need in waterproof. Bedroom inside is we can, not coming in water. That time we can using in normal light. But garage, bathroom, toilet, where it use the water, this area we should be use light also, whether waterproof or switches also using in waterproof. This means not problem for your circuit. Okay. So clear about this one, not tube light. Most important is don't forget this one. Some interview asking these 8 lights, which DB2 coming? So many interview asking like that. So that time you cannot, you can check. There is the arrow and writing is all writing is like that. Okay. DB G2 C7. You can speak like that. You can say only one area is writing like that. Okay. So many interview asking in this. What is the circuit number? That time you can speak in circuit number C7, circuit number 7. And this DB G2, ground floor 2. You can speak like that, okay? Okay, next one is types of drawing at site. We have so many types of drawing at site as per your work activities. As per your work activities or as per your work category. So we have available inside electrical layout drawing, electrical layout, mechanical layout, plumbing layout, firefighting layout, BMS layout, fire alarm layout, DB schedule layout, control system layout. Maximum we can find inside this type of drawing, okay? This type of drawing. So in electrical, mechanical work, using in mechanical layout drawing, mechanical types work, same like a firefighting work, mechanical, okay? Plumbing, in bathroom inside, PVC, drainage, drinking water, these types of drawing are plumbing. Firefighting layout, this is also same mechanical people is working here. Fire control system, we can put the 8-inch, 10-inch, 15-inch GI pipe outside the slab and inside water is running with pressure. We give the pressure of inside the water. In case of building in going to very heat, they are made the one heat system, control system is there. If 52 degree, 53 degree to above, this they are using in spring lock. Automatically this one we can use the glass and automatically this one blast and water is going of the building. Control system. Okay, so firefighting layout. They are maintained 52, 53, 54. How many temperature? As per temperature, they are maintained this one. Okay, and BMS layout, building management system. Building inside have so many systems. Electrical system, plumbing system, fire alarm system, civil system, auto system, maintaining BMS layout. Fire alarm layout. This is safety purpose. Any problem happen in building inside, that time this fire alarm system is make the sound, give to sound, and you can out of the building. There is any problem, this kind of fire alarm inside coming, smoke detector, heat detector, sounder, all are coming in fire alarm inside. This is also electrical section, okay? BMS also have the electrical section. Fire fighting, not electrical system. Fire fighting, plumbing and mechanical. This is another system. This is not our category. But building inside have this kind of work also. One building inside have this kind of work also here, okay? TV schedule layout. This is the important TV schedule. There is mentioned how many types of TV and three phase or single phase TV, how many way, 4-way, 6-way, 8-way, all are giving in there. And how many circuit coming in this DB inside, all are mentioned is DB schedule. Okay. Next one is control system layout. Control system layout. This is we have the two category of work in building also, electrical section. Electrical, normal electrical, and controlling system, auto electric. So this type of drawing is control system layout. So we have in all types of drawing is available. Okay. So electrical control system also coming, AC schedule also coming, fire alarm also coming, BMS and electrical layout. These three is coming in mechanical, plumbing and firefighting. This is coming another category. So, especially company are three types. MEP, mechanical. M means mechanical. E means electrical. P means plumbing. Some company are all work is working. MEP. This company name is MEP. But some company only working in electrical. Only working in plumbing. Okay, so these all are different type of. This is different type. No mention with electrical, but side have the this types of drawing also. We have only electrical layout, BMS, RLRM, DB schedule and control system. You can take the knowledge of these types of drawing in electrical, electrician or engineer, foreman, supervisor, anyone category. We should be take the knowledge of these types of drawing. Okay, so we have types of drawing at site. So assessment time, questions coming, how many types of drawing at site? And some interview asking how many types of drawing you can see. That time you can tell I am seeing electrical, mechanical, plumbing, all types of this one. This means you are the experience, good experience, thinking like that. Okay, so you can writing in your notes. This one. This is the DB schedule, okay? So DB schedule most important for electrician. First, you take the knowledge of this one. Most important drawing is this one, okay? So here is writing DBP for roof form room. This means distribution code P. Number is P for roof form room. Roof area. This is installation in roof area. Okay, top of the building. And this is 10-way TPM distribution board. 10-way. TPM is triple pole with neutral. Yesterday we are talking about this one. TPM, triple pole with neutral. This means this DB inside coming in three phase. Red, yellow, blue with neutral. One circuit is complete that time if neutral is coming here. Without circuit is not complete. You can know about this one. Okay, so in circuit complete we should be need the neutral. Okay, so TPM is triple phase. Red, yellow, blue phase is coming here and neutral also coming here. Okay, this is TP and DB. We have the two types of DB. SPN, single phase with neutral. Only one phase is coming here. And next one is three phase. PPN, triple pole with neutral. Three phase is coming here. Two types of DB. Clear about this one. Three phase we can using in big building, apartment system house. Single phase we can using is normal house. Only one phase is needed here. Okay. So this is the three phase. 10 ways. 10 ways. Here is going to 10 ways. So three phase TV, one way inside have three MCB. You see there is writing 1. There is RYB. Red phase, yellow phase, blue phase. Because this already tell PP and DB. Three phase have one way. Single phase DB, one phase have one way. If this is single phase, this is one way, two way, three way. Okay, but this is single three phase DB. So every phase coming one. Red one, yellow one, blue one. One way. Two way. R2, Y2, D2. Writing is like that. This means red circuit number 2, yellow circuit number 2, blue circuit number 2. So you can counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not telling you this is 6 way, sir. This is only 2 way because this is EP and DB. EP and every 3 MCB count 1 way. R1, Y1, B1. This is 1 way, only 1 way. So 10 way means how many MCB is coming here? 10 into 3 means 30, 30. 30 MCB is coming here. Okay, most important for this one in electrical section. Okay, so in three phase TV, 3 MCB is one way, single phase TV, only one phase is coming here. Only suppose if red phase, only red coming. If yellow phase, only yellow. If blue phase, only blue. 3 phases available we have. So single phase means only one phase coming and one neutral coming, 230 volts. But three phase means all three are coming. Red, yellow, blue, all coming with neutral also. So clear about this one, not confused, okay? In three phase TV, TP and DB, all phase R1, Y1, B1, all phases coming in one way, 3. And then other coming 2. So 1, 2, 3, this is one way. Again R2, Y2, B2. This is another 2 way. And another one, you see R3, Y3, B3. This is 3 way. Coming like that. Every 3 MCB is one way. Don't forget this one. This is the importance. This is MCB, okay? Miniature circuit breaker. Same like this. 1, R1, Y1, B1. 3 piece coming. This is one way. Same 3 piece coming. Not in 3 way. You don't take 3 way. In TPL, one here fixing, another one here fixing, another one here fixing. This means 3 fixing, one way. TP and DB. Another 3 fixing, 2 way. Another 3 fixing, 3 way. This means total 9. You can counting it like that. But single phase, only one coming, okay, one way. Only one phase now, so only one. Okay, so this is the difference between single phase and three phase. Single phase always coming 230 volts, but three phase coming 440 volts. Okay, and next one we have PV. Okay, so you can take this one, 10 ampere TP writing is here. TP. This means three phase coming is there, okay? Like that. This is one way, okay? So you can take this one also. You can take this one also, okay? TP writing is there. If writing separate, this means single phase, single type of MCB is coming. Like that MCB is coming. If writing 10 ampere TP, this is writing 10 ampere TP, okay? So there is a writing in center of the this one. R gap, Y center, give the arrow and B also gap. This means 10 ampere TP means triple pole. Triple pole type MCB is coming here. If writing R20, Y20, BK, this is separate MCB. R20 amperes coming. Red circuit, 20 amperes MCB is coming here. Y 20 amperes MCB is coming here. B 10 ampere. So they have writing this have only 20, another have 40 and star. What is the difference between this one? Why some are writing in star and some are writing not writing in star? Confused. So you can clear about this one. I will explain. No star. This means only MCB. Normal MCB. If star coming ELCB or RCCB, you can fix ELCB or RCCB. If star is coming, you can thinking this is ELCB or RCCB. No star, no any writing. This means only MCB. Only MCB. This is normal types of MCB. Okay? So you can take this one also. This first page, a first line, way of the DB, number way, 1 way, 2 way, 3 way, 4 way. Second line, phase sequence, red phase, yellow phase, blue phase, phase sequence, second line. Third line, MCB, category of MCB. ELCB, MCB, what is required in this circuit? Same like that. If star coming, this means ELCB or RCCB, anyone you can using in here. No star, only normal MCB, normal MCB. You can using in normal MCB. Clear about this one, okay? So many confusions coming here. So star means ELCB or RCCB. No star, normal MCB. Clear of this one. So next one, first one clear. First one is number way, 1 way, 2 way, 3 way, 4 way. How many ways is here? Second line is phase sequence, red phase, yellow phase, blue phase. Second line all coming like that. Third line is MCB rating. How many ampere MCB? 5 ampere, 6 ampere, 10 ampere. MCB or ELCB or RCCB. All are mention is there. You can say star coming, you can put ELCB or RCCB. Only normal you can using in ST, single pole. And fourth one. Now 1, 2, 3 is this. Fourth one, here is writing wire size, WIRE, wire SIZE size, okay? So 3 into 2.5 mm square, PVCCU. What is the meaning of this one? 3 into 2.5 mm square, PVCCU. So this means 3 wire coming in this circuit. Only 3 wire coming. दूसरा क्लास आएगा उसमें बताइए. Okay, so plus this means 3 wires is coming here. नहीं दिखाएगा. ऐसा करेगा तो सही नहीं हो रहा है. Okay, that is writing 3 into 2.5 mm square PVC CU. So there is writing 3 into 2.5 mm square PVC CU. 3 means 3 wire. 3 wire. 3 wire means 1 base, 1 neutral, and 1 earthing. Okay, 3 means 1 phase, 1 neutral, and 1 earthing. These 3 complete. 2.5. This all wire size is 2.5. This all wire. This wire also 2.5. Neutral wire also 2.5. And earthing wire also 2.5. Size of the earth. Okay, here 3 means 3 wire. 1 phase, 1 neutral, 1 earthing. We should be need the earthing also, external wiring. Okay, and PVC means insulation of wire. This is coming in PVC, insulation. Outside insulation is coming PVC. And CU means this conductor is copper type. Copper type conductor. Okay. So this is clear. 3 means 3 wire, 1 phase, 1 neutral, 1 earth. 2.5 mm square means all 3 are 2.5 mm square size. And PVC means insulation of the wire. And CU means conductor is copper type. We have 2 types of conductor, aluminum type or copper type. This is copper type. CU means copper type. If here writing is aluminum, this means aluminum type is coming. Okay? This is copper type. Okay? Clear of this one. So next one is, So we are already complete about the way, 1 way, 2 way, 3 way, 4 way. And the sequence after MCB rate. And next one is wire size. Wire size 3 into 2.5 mm square. Next one is 4 into 4 plus 2 into 2.5 mm square PVC. Okay. So next one is correct location. How many lights are inside here? 6 rows of weatherproof light fittings in pump room. Location of the area. How many quantity is there? Light, power socket, what? Okay. So in TV schedule inside have 5 lines is coming. First line, number of the way. 1 way, 2 way, 3 way, 4 way. Second line, phase sequence. Red, yellow, blue. Number 4 line, MCB, EMS. Which type of MCB, ELCB, RCCB, and how many amperes? 10 amperes, 16 amperes, 20 amperes, all are writing in there. Okay? And fourth one, wire size. Wire size and how many wire is coming here. This is wire size. So maximum lighting we can use in 2.5 mm square. This is the standard size of the wire. So next topic is coming, wire and cable size. That time I will explain. Okay. So next last is the description of the where location. Where is coming this one? This is the last step. Okay. So this will have here one. How many quantity of the light? How many quantity of the socket? How many quantity of the AC? All are given last. Okay, and location, which location to coming, all are coming like that. Okay, so I hope all of you are clear about the DB schedule. Any questions in today class? Okay, I think all of you are clear. If you have not clear, just give me the questions. Okay, so today class is completed. Tomorrow or next class we will be see. Okay, see you next class. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.